Lovely people, Ibotta Crystal here. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's time for Frugal Tip Tuesday. In today's video, we are going to be talking about meal planning. Lovely people, let's jump into this meal planning video. I actually made you guys a printable, yes, free printable that's linked in the description box of today's video. Now, the first thing I want to talk about is why you should meal plan. You should meal plan because number one, it's going to save you money and it's going to save you time. It's going to save you money because it's going to prevent you from buying other food. You're going to shop what you existingly have, okay? And the reason why it's going to save you time, it's going to save you from driving home wondering, what are we going to have for dinner? What are we going to have for dinner? And your husband and your wife and your kids asking you, what are we having for dinner? What are we having? I'm hungry. What are we having for dinner? So annoying. Next, what you're going to do, you're going to go to your refrigerator. You're going to go to your pantry, your deep freezer, and you're going to check to see what food you have. Take a piece of paper and take a pen and write down the foods that you already have, what ingredients you have, if you have chicken, if you have fish, if you have eggs, what you have existing, okay? Then you're gonna take another piece of paper and you're going to write down what your family really likes to eat as the collective group. You know, my group is two, my husband and myself. It's only two of us, but we do have favorite meals that we like the shrimp pizza. We love that. Now, you're going to write those meals down because there's no reason in reinventing the wheel. If they already like those meals, you need to be making that, okay? Everybody will be pleased and it's just easy, okay? The next thing I want you to keep in mind when you're doing that is ingredient sharing. If any of those meals, are they things that you can actually use one ingredient but in two separate meals? Say, for instance, you've got 2 rice dishes that you're going to do. You're going to maybe use a casserole that requires rice, but you've also got another meal, maybe burritos, that you're going to put rice and beans in. Think of it in that manner, okay? You could use that rice. You could make one batch, but use it in 2 separate meals, okay? The next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna go to the description box of this video and you're gonna print out this printable, this free printable. It's got weekly meal plan, and then it's got the days of the week, and then it's got your shopping list over here. Now, the shopping list is going to be the ingredients that you could not shop your kitchen for. You didn't have certain ingredients in this, so you need to go and put it on the shopping list, okay? So if we put over here that we're going to have spaghetti one day, we're going to have chicken sloppy joes one day, we're going to have the shrimp pizza one day, then whatever ingredients I'm missing that I don't have in the refrigerator or the pantry or in my kitchen, I'm going to put those over here. When you go to the store, you're going to be very strict about your shopping list, okay? You're going to only buy what's on the list. That's going to prevent you from overbuying, okay? You're going to write the vision and make it plain. You've already planned the meals over here, so there's no need for you to deviate from this plan, okay? You're basically planning your meals around what you existingly have. So therefore, there's a rotation of what is in your kitchen. What's in your pantry, what's in your deep freezer, what's in your refrigerator. You're rotating that stock out. If you're like me and you like to buy bulk, or if you did a lot of that Barilla pasta rebate, I know it's some couponers watching me. This is the coupon crew. If you have a bunch of that pasta sauce, like what meals can you make with that pasta sauce? You can do pizza. You can do spaghetti. You can do lasagna. It's so many things that you can use those ingredients for that you've already got, so you won't have to buy. It's really important to use the shopping list because it's going to prevent you from going to the store, buying something that you're not sure that you have. So you go ahead and buy it, and then you get home and you realize you got 3 bottles of it. We are going to stop doing that because that is a big waster of your time and your money. The next thing I would encourage you to do is shop your flyer, like your store flyers. Whatever store that you shop, check their online flyer while you're doing this meal plan process so you can see, okay, let's see, chicken breasts are on sale. So let me plan my meals around chicken breast, okay? If ground beef is on sale, let's plan the meal around ground beef, all right? Now, frugal living, let me just put this here. Frugal living is a lifestyle, all right? But it is just having you guys to be more conscious of what you do and how you do it. That's all it is. It's not to deprive you. It's not to make you feel like you're having to do without and you're doing things that, you are not enjoying. Dinner should be enjoyable. Feeding your family should be enjoyable. All those things should be enjoyable. It shouldn't be a chore. So we're going to do this to prevent it from being a chore. If you're able to prep any of your ingredients, that's going to always help you save time. I like to chop up vegetables that I use on a regular, so when it's time for me to actually make the items, I won't have to do all that on the day of making the item. If you want to do crock pot meals, you can always mix up your ingredients in a plastic Ziploc bag, like a gallon size Ziploc bag, put it in your freezer, and then pull it out. And then there you go. Boom, bam, you ready to go. Okay. If you've got a calendar, a command center in your house, or just put this on your refrigerator. Okay. So whoever's getting home first, if you got somebody that works from home, or perhaps your spouse or somebody gets home first, they can kind of jump start the meal for you or for yourself. Okay. You could always, the day before, if you're going to do the crock pot meal things, you could always, the day before, take the Ziploc bag, sit it in the refrigerator so it's defrosting the day before. So when you get ready to come home, all you're doing is warming up ingredients. I mean, there's so many ways that you can utilize this thing. But the main thing, the main principle of meal planning is the preparation. You're going to be prepared. There is no guesswork in this. That is what's going to make this be so helpful for you. It's going to save you time. It's going to save you energy. It's going to save you stress. It's going to save you gas because you ain't riding to the grocery store every day. Y'all ain't riding to the grocery store every day, y'all. It's going to keep you from riding to the grocery store every day, guys. If you have a day that you do your shopping, okay, then there you go. You ready, you good to go. And even if you are a couponer and you're doing a bunch of Ibotta, okay, if you got some ingredients over here that you need, you can utilize that in, let me see. Are there any rebates for any of these ingredients that I need? Yeah, okay. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Make sure that you go in the description box of the video, print off your free Google document that's going to help you plan your meal, guys. If this video was helpful for you, can you please give Coupon Chrissy that thumbs up, give me that thumbs up, y'all. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications so you can be a member of the Coupon crew. We would love to have you. And remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.